Hey guys, today let's learn how to find your saved posts over on Instagram. So if you guys want to go ahead and locate where those posts that you have saved before and where it is on the Instagram app, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to locate where that is step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and tab on and launch the Instagram application. And I want you to basically go ahead and, well, choose a specific post to save. As you see, I could choose any post that I prefer to save. I'm going to go ahead and save on maybe this post right here. And now where we could actually locate where those posts are over on, of course, right here. Just go ahead and tap on this option on your profile. And then what I want you to do is to tap on your settings or your three lines on the top corner. Next, let's tap on saved, and you should see all of the saved stuff or everything that you have saved right here on the all posts option. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.